To disable video tracks, if you go to your video tracks over here, there will be three options: lock, disable and disable video track. If you go to the third option, click on it, the video track what is in the second video track will get disabled. So now you'll be able to see the dog only, you won't be able to see the sky. If you turn it back on, you'll be able to see the cinematic sky, that clip. Basically it is an on and off button to see what is there under your clips, or to see what is above your clips. And you can do the same thing with your text layer also. Try offing it and seeing what is the under the text. Play off the text and you'll be able to see the dog down. That's all.